Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Make sure you have a cash card from Cash App. If you don't have one yet, you can order it directly from the app. Once you have your cash card, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Choose debit or credit card. Then search for Cash Card or Cash App. Follow the on-screen steps to enter your Cash Card details and connect it to Apple Pay. Once added, you can now use your Cash App balance with Apple Pay for purchases. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.